The cushion cut diamond is a timeless and romantic shape that combines the elegance of a square or rectangular diamond with rounded corners, creating a pillow like appearance. This cut is known for its soft, vintage charm, often referred to as the old mine cut when seen in antique jewelry. Its deep, rounded facets allow for a beautiful play of light, giving it a sparkling, fiery glow. What makes the cushion cut unique is its ability to combine classic beauty with modern brilliance. The large facets emphasize clarity and depth, while the rounded corners offer a softer, more delicate silhouette compared to sharp edged cuts. This diamond shape is also versatile, available in both square and rectangular variations, allowing it to suit different personal styles. Cushion cut diamonds are especially popular in engagement rings, offering a warm, vintage appeal with modern sparkle. Whether paired with a delicate band or set in a bold contemporary design, the cushion cut is perfect for those who want a diamond with both history and stunning visual impact. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course, visit amitmulani.com